Effects can be a fun way to make your Instagram Reels look better. However, unless you're shooting the footage at that moment, it's hard to add effects and filters to your footage.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
I teach you how to film yourself so you can film once to teach many. If you want to leverage your expertise to make money, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have new videos every Wednesday. Okay, so we're gonna start by learning how to add effects to video from your camera roll, but then I'm gonna show you how to edit your video so it has multiple effects, different effects within that same video clip. So we're gonna go into Reels and we're gonna add the effects to it. So I'm going to go to my Reels tab, I'm in Reels, and now I'm going to upload my video to this. Just so you know, if you have 60 seconds available within your Reels, then you can add a video up to 60 seconds. If you're fortunate enough to have 90 seconds, then you can add 90 seconds. If your video is longer than that duration, you're gonna have to do this multiple times for different sections of that video and then edit that all together in a different app. Let's add our clip. We're gonna swipe up and then we're gonna find the clip we wanna add. I want to add this nice clip from my walk in Vancouver. It was such a beautiful day yesterday that I had to film it. There we go. Now to add the effects to that clip, I'm going to go to preview. And then when I go to preview, I'm going to see these 3 stars up on the top of the screen. Whenever I have the menu on the top, that means that I can do effects to the entire video clip. So I'm going to click on that, and now you're going to see it's going to show me effects. The first one, the 3 stars, this is like your browse or your home, so it has a bunch of different effects that you can click through. Ooh, I liked that one. Ooh, that one's fun. Say you like an effect, you can save it. So the save button looks like a little bookmark. If you push it, it's gonna go solid. That means it's saved into your favorites. And there's another little feature here on the side, which is going to allow you to see what Reels used that effect. So let's click on that. And now I can see what other people have done with this effect, which is really cool because it allows me to get ideas, get creative, and see the possibilities of using that effect. Say I no longer love this effect and I want it to go back to the original. All I have to do is click on it and it's gonna go back to the original. There's different types of effects, so there's aesthetics. So this is what is gonna make your video look a little bit different. So it's like the colors, how it's gonna actually show up. So you can see it's like different filters that you put on top of it. And then there's also special effects. Special effects change the way the video looks itself. So face ones aren't gonna work on here because I don't have a face. Oh, this one's creepy. Very creepy. Don't use that one. Let's exit out of that. You can also search. So you can see the search button up top here. So I can press search and let's search retro. So if I search retro, I can see all the different filters that are available that look retro. Let's see, what do I like? I like this one. So I'm gonna save this effect as well. So you can see this video clip with this effect. So if I wanted the effect to be on this entire video like this, then this is all I need to do. I can save it, or I can just go next and I can upload the reel with this effect. But what I would like is I would like this effect for the beginning and maybe the other effect a little bit later in this video. So to do that, you're going to have to save the videos out with that effect separately. So let's save this one. I can save with that arrow down the line. So I saved this video clip. There we go, it's saved. And then I'm gonna go back into my filters and I'm going to not go into here. I'm gonna go into my saved ones. So I click on my saved ones and add that dream lens. Oh, I really like that. And then I'm going to save this again. Because I added the effect, this is gonna be a default for this video. So it's going to add this effect to everything I add to this reel, this particular edit. I can exit out of here and start new and this will clear the effect. But if I want to clear it out of here, I just have to go back into the effect, click on the effect again, and now you can see that the effect is gone, it's clear. So let's exit out of this. Let's go back and let's delete this clip because we don't need that clip anymore. And we're gonna swipe up and we're going to add our filtered clips. So let's add this one first. I can add that and I can trim it. So let's say this one's going to be 3 seconds. And then I can swipe up and I can add that one and I can start that one 3 seconds in. I can start on there, add that one. And now you can see when I preview it, it goes from the one effect to the other effect. So if I wanted it to bounce between them, I would just have to add it again. So let's trim this a little bit longer. Done. I could add this one again, and I could add a little bit further in it. Add this one again. I would be more precise of where I was adding it, and I'd trim it a little better if I was doing this by myself, but just to save time, I'm just showing you how it would go between them. So you can see it like rotates from one effect to the other effect so that I can use multiple effects within my reel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every week. Until next time, peace!